PC DMIS set search path. One terrific way to keep your PC DMIS program files organized is to use the set search path function inside the main PC DMIS dialog. Let's just run PC DMIS, and don't open a part program. We're going to go straight under Edit, Set Search Path. This little utility lets us assign a path for all the different files that PC DMIS uses. The best way to use the set search path function is to create some directories ahead of time to store your PC DMIS program files. Now what I've done here is I've created a PC DMIS user data folder, and under that data folder I've got export data, import data, miscellaneous data, PC DMIS probes, PC DMIS programs, and report templates. What this does, this allows the user to store any files that are associated with a PC DMIS program outside of the PC DMIS root directory. And this really makes it easy to distinguish between what is a PC DMIS file and what is a user-generated file. So let's go ahead and associate our created folders with the appropriate folders in PC DMIS. So default export directory, we'll browse for that. When you found that folder, just hit apply and move on to the next one. Default import directory, we'll browse for that. Once you find the location where you want your import data stored, just hit apply. By the way, the default import data is the directory where PC DMIS will look for IGES and STEP files that you import into your programs. This is the important one, default part program directory. Do not store your part programs in the PC DMIS root folder. That'll just clutter up the folder and make it difficult when you go to back up your part programs to distinguish between PC DMIS system files and part program files. When you found that directory, just hit apply and we'll go to the next one, which is the probe directory. Again, the idea with the probes is the same as the other files. We want to store those probes away from the PC DMIS root directory. And finally, when we get the recall directory filled in, the subroutine directory. So that's it. We'll just apply that. Click on OK. The next time we create a part program, PC DMIS will look in those folders that we've established to find those attached files.